One of the things which really goes well with the broad bean is this mint, any kind of mint. Including all this mint that we have here. It goes really well with broad bean. You are going to enjoy this tonight. Lots of harvest of broad bean and yet a lot more to go. Especially Monica, which is really good variety. Look at the size of the pods. They're huge, they're like big sausages. Compared to the hair spring shaft, they're really good and onward. Just for the sake of comparison, look at this broad bean. How massive it is. If I open it, you can see the inside. You can say these are the biggest broad beans I've seen in the UK so far. I've never saw such a big beans in any broad bean. These are massive. They're almost 1 inch in size. And this one has given 1, 2, 3, 4 large beans. And as you see, there is a lot more to harvest. I think I will harvest them now.